Good morning, children. This is your craft class. Today we are going to make a wall hanging which can be used in room decoration. Children, mind that you should not buy anything from the market. Make you things from the materials available at home. The things that you will be needing are old CDs, Fevicol, scissors and thread. Let's see how to make it. First of all, we will take two CDs and keep it like this. Now draw the line as I'm doing it. After drawing, we need to cut it. Make sure you cut two CDs in the half moon shape like this. Now take a drawing sheet or A4 sheet, just fold it into 4 halves. Like this, and now cut it as I am doing it. You should also cut it properly. Now fold it as I am doing. First fold like this, second fold, and now cut the tip of this folding. The tip should be cut in a slanting line, and so that it will give you a perfect star like this. Now place this star on a CD and trace the line properly. Make these stars in even like numbers 8 or 10. Now take a thread The color can be of your choice and double it. Now you have to take 2-3 parts of the thread and knot it. And now put Fevicol onto the back side of the star. Now tie a knot like this and then place this thread onto the back side of the star where the Fevicol has been spread. And now take another star, put Fevicol on the back side of this star also. And join them. Now do the rest of the stars like this, the same thing, but leave one pair stars. Now take the moon shaped CD and spread Fevicol and place and place all the threads through which the stars are joined together . Now you will place threads like this. The thread should be put like one a little bit up and one little bit down. And now put Fevicol on the other CD also. And join them. Now place the remaining on the top thread from where it will hang. Now it should be looking like this. I hope that you will be able to make it easily. So we will meet in next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.